The town of North Hampstead recently hosted a vibrant celebration of India's 78th Independence Day, bringing together the Indian American community for a joyful and culturally rich event. Town clerk Ragini Srivastav extended a warm welcome, highlighting the harmonious blend of tradition and innovation within the community. They even featured performances from seniors, community leaders, students, and young artists, showcasing diverse talent. Looking forward, the organizers encouraged participation in the upcoming India Day Parade on August 25th in Hicksville, featuring celebrities Jaya Prada, Neetu Chandra, and popular singers. The Independence Day event was a testament to unity and cultural pride among Indian Americans. Take a look.
Bharat Mata ki Jai! Bharat Mata ki Jai! Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Vande Mataram! Vande Mataram! Vande Mataram!
India Independence Day with great pleasure and pride and with great joy. I welcome everybody. I'm the town of North Hampstead town clerk Ragini Srivastava. We are celebrating India's Independence Day here. We have a nice ceremony, and I can see the participation of the community. They're very excited and very happy. And I always say that we are a very vibrant and dynamic community, as the Indian American community, and we are a very harmonious blend of old and new. And whether at the same time we carry our traditions and ancient values at the same time, we also look forward to the new techniques and new aspirations. So I'm very happy that we have here also the representation from the communities like that. We have the seniors, we have community leaders, we have young performers, students and kids. So just looking forward to have a good evening and fun and celebration with all of them. Jai Hind.
अच्छा, मेरा नाम विमल गोयल है. I'm the president of India Day Parade. We are having a parade on August 25th in Hicksville from Patel Brothers. So we would like everyone to join the parade. It's a wonderful parade going from Patel Brothers all the way to West John Street. And there will be a lot of entertainment. We have celebrities Jaya Prada and Neetu Chandra who is joining us. We have three major singers. Sadbir Chima. And then we have two other celebrity singers, and you will enjoy. You will have fun. Free food, free admission. Remember, free food, free admission. So join us on 25th of August. Thank you. Jai Hind.
I'm truly honored to be here and invited to celebrate with you India's independence. And it's most heartening as I look around the room, and there are people of all ages, young, old, families, all here for, as Ragini said, one common purpose is to celebrate, and this is a joyous, happy occasion. I want to mention on behalf of Jennifer DeSena, the supervisor, she is not able to be here, and she sends her best wishes as well. And thank you very much for including me in this beautiful celebration. Congratulations.
Thank you.
मेरी जसबीर जय सिंह की आप सबको प्यार भरी नमस्कार, और मैं आज हमारी आज़ादी दिवस पे मुबारक देता हूँ, और कूडोस टू रागिनी श्रीवास्तव टाउन क्लर्क एंड सुपरवाइज़र डिसेना, जिन्होंने आज ये इंडिपेंडेंस डे मनाने का शायद तीसरा साल है इनका, इस जो शुरुआत की इन्होंने, मैं उनका बहुत शुक्रगुजार भी हूँ और सबको मुबारक भी देता हूँ. थैंक यू सो मच.
Happy Independence Day. My name is Ravinder Kumar, and I'm managing a booth in Hicksville, Long Island, August 25 Sunday, and I'm the booth manager for that event. And we have a lot of activity. We have different kinds of booths. We have the souvenir, we have the clothing, we have mortgage loans, all kinds of booth there. Our parade starts from Patel Brother to 125 West John Street. And I like to invite all ITV viewers to come join with the family and friend to make our parade very successful. Thank you.
मेरा नाम ज्योति गुप्ता है और मैं नॉर्थ हैम्पस्टेड में रहती हूँ और हमारे घर के इस टाउन हॉल के पास ही रहती हूँ और मेरे को बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि आज हम लोग यहाँ पर टाउन हॉल में इंडिया का 78 इंडिपेंडेंस डे मना रहे हैं बहुत ही खुशी की बात है। सब लोग यहाँ के रेजिडेंट्स आए हुए हैं और बहुत अच्छा कल्चरल प्रोग्राम होगा, डांसेस होंगे और हमारे बीच में ITV से भी आ गए हैं, बहुत सारे मीडिया वाले आए हैं और हमको भारत से बहुत प्यार है। हम भारत के बाहर रहते हैं पर जब ऐसा इंडिपेंडेंस डे मनाया जाता है तो दिल बहुत खुश होता है। मैं 4 लाइनें व्यक्त करना चाहती हूँ जो मैं सोचती हूँ। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तां हमारा है। वी लव इंडिया एंड भारत माता की जय।
Everybody for being here, for inviting me. This is such a beautiful event that we just witnessed right now. I think it's the most beautiful thing in the world that we are in a country that we could celebrate 2 flags and come to a country because we're also celebrating the Day of Independence. And independence doesn't come easily because every day we have to cherish that independence and every day we have to do things and elect officials like Rugini and Jendasena. And we have to make sure that we do it where we can to protect our independence and our freedoms because they are not something we should take for granted ever. Mazi Pilak couldn't be here today, so I'm very, very honored to be here on her behalf. So thank you very much again, and you have a great Independence Day. Thank you.
As Chief Communications and Signals Officer.
Hello everyone, my name is Suhag Mehta. I am a New York founder, president, so many organizations. I am a social worker and this is our team. Today we have a 15 Independence Day celebration here and we all the people are here. Is a house pool and there is a lot of things happening. Entertainment and a lot of people get the honor and everything and we are going to celebrate Independence Day. So Jai Hind, Bharat Mata ki, Bharat Mata ki Jai.
हेलो एवरीबॉडी, नमस्ते टू एवरीबॉडी। हमारा भारतवर्ष महान है। मेरा नाम है डॉक्टर जैक कालरा, नासा काउंटी से। वी आर हियर एट रागिनी जी's टाउन हाउस. शी इज़ आवर टाउन क्लर्क. वी आर सो लकी टू हैव हर. We are very proud Indians in America. Bharat Mata ki Jai. Everybody, I wish happy 15th August, our Independence Day. Thank you.
Good evening to all our viewers. I'm Dr. Bhavani Srinivasan of National API and API of Queens and Long Island. It's a great day today. India celebrating her 15th, August 15th. This is her 78th anniversary. It's her birthday today and we wish India happy birthday, happy Independence Day, and we are delighted to be here at the town hall in Manhasset celebrating this wonderful event with Ragini ji, who's the town clerk of this North Hempstead. And we are, as you can see, the whole place is absolutely bursting with joy and anticipation of this event. Thank you.
Namaskar, I'm Gunjan Rastogi, wishing the viewers of ITV 78th Independence Day of India. And we should not take this lightly because freedom is not given to us that easily. So we should be very proud of today. And with that, we will keep celebrating it. Thank you so much. And Jai Hind.
Hello, Namaskar ji. You're all welcome to the Independence Day celebration. I am the chief guest in the India Day Parade in the Long Island. And on behalf of India Day Parade, I would like to welcome you all for this auspicious celebration of the India Independence Day. And this is a great honor to be here. Welcome you to all to this town hall of Hempstead. Thank you very much. Congratulations once again.
Jai मैं हूं विभूति झा। आप सबों को बहुत बहुत बधाई। भारत की 78वीं स्वाधीनता दिवस के समारोह में आज यहाँ न्यूयॉर्क, मैनहट्टन, लॉन्ग आइलैंड में इतने सारे लोग जमा हुए हैं। ये बड़े गर्व की बात है, क्योंकि हमने देखा है कि कभी इक्के दुक्के लोग आते थे और अब समारोह में बहुत सारे लोग आते हैं। तो ये जो है भारत की जो परंपरा है, हमारे देश की जो परंपरा है, इसमें हमें इस समय में, इस खास समय में, जब दुनिया जहान हमारे ऊपर किसी न किसी बहाने, किसी न किसी कारण से कुछ न कुछ दोष निकालते रहते हैं, उन्हें हमें ये बताना है हम एक हैं, भारत एक है। और इसलिए हम सबों का एक साथ जुटना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि अगर हम जुटेंगे नहीं तो खड़े कैसे होंगे। मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ सत्यमेव जयते, और सत्य को जिताने के लिए हम सबों को उठ के खड़ा होना पड़ेगा और सत्य के लिए खड़ा होना पड़ेगा। दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस टू नो दैट आई एम डिलाइटेड that first, second generations of Indians are now assembling in numbers for events like this. So once again, भारत माता की जय, जय भारत, और स्वाधीनता की दिवस की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं हम सबों को। थैंक यू।
सुखाय